Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Themeforest theme into WordPress. So let's get started. At first we will download our WordPress theme from the Themeforest. So we will go to themeforest.net and then from the top we are going to click on sign in. Here we need to enter our Themeforest username and password and then click on sign in again. And now again from the top we are going to hover our account and then click on downloads. And here it will show us all the themes that we have purchased from Themeforest. Next to our theme, we will see a download drop-down. We will just click on it. And then we will click on all files and documentations. And our theme files will start downloading. Once the theme is downloaded to our computer, we are going to right click on it and then click on show in folder. Now again, we are going to right click on it and then just hover our WinRAR and then click on extract to this folder. And here you can see that our theme is now extracted. So I am going to double click on it and then we will click on uploads. So these are the theme files that we need to upload to our WordPress website. So to upload theme to our WordPress website, we are going to log into our WordPress website dashboard. And then from the left menu, we are going to hover over appearance and then click on themes. Now to add a new theme, from the top we are going to click on add new. Now if you want to upload the theme from your computer, from the top just click on upload theme. And now we are going to select the theme from our computer. Here it is. So I am going to select it and then click on open. Now to install the theme, we are going to click on install now button and our theme will start uploading. It will take a little bit time depending on your theme size. And here you can see that our theme is installed successfully on our WordPress website. Now if you want to activate the theme, just hover over it and then click on activate. So as you can see that our theme is now activated. So in case you are unable to upload your theme directly from your WordPress website dashboard, then you can upload and install your WordPress theme from the Cpanel. Let's see how you can upload and install WordPress theme from the Cpanel. So at first we are going to log into our Cpanel account. In the search bar, we are going to enter our domain name /cpanel and hit enter. And it will take us to the Cpanel login page. Here we need to enter our Cpanel username and password and then click on login. You can find this username and password from the email which is attached to your web hosting. So now we are in the Cpanel dashboard. From here we are going to scroll down to file section and then click on file manager. After that, we are going to click on public HTML. And here it will show us all the website files. If you have only one domain name active on your web hosting, you will see all the website files here. As I have multiple websites, so I am going to find my website. Here it is. So I am going to double click on it. And from here, we are going to click on WP-content. And then we are going to select themes. And here you can see that only 3 themes are installed on our WordPress website. So if I go to my WordPress website dashboard, and here you can also see that only 3 themes are installed. So to install a WordPress theme, from the top we are going to click on upload. Now we are going to select the theme file from our computer and then click on open, and in this way it will start uploading. Once our file is uploaded, we are going to click on go back. And here you will see the file that we have just uploaded. We are going to select this file, right click on it and then click on extract. Now again click on extract files and then click on close. Now from the top we are going to click on reload. And here you will see the theme folder that we have just extracted. Now if we go back to our WordPress website dashboard and then from the top we are going to click on refresh. And here you will see the theme that we have just installed from the Cpanel. So this is how you can download and install Themeforest theme into WordPress. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.